Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a bank account to Binance. First, ensure you are logged into your Binance account. Once logged in, locate the Wallet section on the navigation bar and click on Fiat and Spot. From there, you will see an option to deposit. Click this and then select the fiat currency you wish to deposit, such as US dollars or euros. This is your initial step to linking your bank. After selecting your currency, you'll need to choose bank transfer as your deposit method. Binance will then prompt you to enter your specific bank account details. Carefully input your bank name, account number, and routing number. Double-check all the information for accuracy to avoid any delays or issues. Once everything looks correct, confirm the details to move forward with the linking process. Binance often requires additional identity verification to ensure the security of your funds. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete these steps, which might include providing a photo ID or proof of address. Before finalizing, thoroughly review all the bank information you've entered. This crucial check helps prevent errors. Once satisfied, confirm the addition of your bank account to your Binance profile. Congratulations! Your bank account is now successfully linked to your Binance account and ready for use. You can now initiate a deposit by simply entering the desired amount you wish to transfer. Remember to always check for any minimum or maximum deposit limits. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.